Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Essa and I am so glad to have you guys here. So first, let me start by asking you to give the video a thumbs up so I can be able to reach a wider audience. So today we're going to start by talking about the Nokia 1.4, which we're going to be doing an unboxing and a quick look at. So let's first start with the unboxing. So to start with, this is what the Nokia 1.4 box looks like. Inside, first thing you will see is the phone itself, which we'll just put aside until later. Then you will see the SIM card ejector tool. After that, you have the cover. They've given you a clear cover, which is always a bonus, and it actually makes the phone look better. We also have the charging head. So I actually like the shape of this head because it's very curvy and nice to look at. So we have that. We also have the USB-B charging cable. And finally, we have earphones. So when it comes to the phone, we just have the sticker on top that gives you the details of the phone. So we're just going to remove that. Then we're going to start the phone and just be able to see what it has to offer. As you can see, the phone comes with the Android Go version. So as you have seen, the phone comes with a 6.51-inch display and it is a HD+ display, which means that it is going to be pretty clear for you to be able to see the type of videos that you'd like to see. It also has a black plastic casing, which is good because it means that it's not a fingerprint magnet. Speaking of fingerprints, it has a fingerprint scanner at the back, as you can see below the camera. And it also has a face unlock feature, which is pretty cool considering that it is a phone for a very low budget. At the bottom, we have the microphone and the charging port. On the right side, we have the unlock button and the volume button. At the top, we have the 3.5mm jack port. On the left side, we have the SIM tray and the Google Assistant button. At the back, we have the cameras, flash and touch sensor. And at the front, we have the selfie camera and the 6.5 IPS LCD screen. So the 1.4 has a dual camera at the back, which is an upgrade from the 1.3, which was single camera. It comes with an 8-megapixel camera and a 2-megapixel macro camera as well. At the front, it comes with a 5-megapixel selfie camera. So this is the selfie camera of the phone. This is what it looks like on a very gloomy day, considering it has been raining most of the day. But I think it's still pretty good for its size and its budget. And pretty much a 5-megapixel camera, this is the best it can do, and this is not too shabby of a quality. So guys, this is what the back camera looks like. And this is what it looks like on me. So as you can see, it really needs a bit of lighting for it to be able to reach to its full potential. But I don't really think it's that bad considering it's only 8-megapixel of a camera. So it's still be able to do a really good job. So the Nokia 1.4 comes with a 4000 mAh battery, which according to Nokia is enough to last you 2 days. And this is because the phone comes with the Android Go version, which is basically a lighter version of Android. So it comes with an Android 11, but a Go version which is light for you to be able to have lighter versions of apps. Meaning your apps are going to be like Google Maps Go, Gmail Go, And as for other apps like Facebook, there'll be a lighter version which come with a different name like Facebook Lite and Instagram Lite. So that you're basically just getting the same apps but a lighter version, so it's not too heavy on your phone. Paired with the Android 11 is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 215 chipset, which means that you are going to be able to play enough games just for this phone, but not too heavy games. So there are different versions of the Nokia 1.4. They range in 1 to 3 GB RAM and from 16 to 64 GB memory. So the one I have today is the 2 GB RAM and a 32 GB memory. So basically you're able to choose the type of phone you desire based on the kind of RAM and memory you want, and also the kind of budget you're willing to spend. So one of my favorite things about Nokia is they always have upgrades on the software. So for this phone it comes with 2 years guaranteed of software upgrades, meaning if there will be an Android 12 within the next 2 years, you're very likely to be able to get that version as well. In Kenya, the Nokia 1.4 for this version that I have, the 2 GB and the 32 GB memory, it's basically going for 12,500, and for me that is a very good price for what you can get and what you can achieve with this phone. So that was it for this video. It was just a quick look at the Nokia 1.4, which has just been released about 2 months ago, and we were able to do an unboxing for you guys to be able to see the features that it has and everything it comes with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new, and as always, I hope you come back for more. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!